Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to forward media and messages on WhatsApp. So for this, let's open our WhatsApp app and open the chat of which you want to forward your media. So let's say we want to forward this media here. Simply tap on that media and hold it. Once you tap and hold on it, then you will find the forward option here. Click on forward and now choose the contact to whom you forward this message or media. And now click on the screen icon and now the media is forwarded. Now we will see how you can forward a message. So if you want to forward any message here, simply tap and hold on that message. Let me tap and hold on it. Okay, so let's say we want to forward this message. Tap and hold on it and now click on this icon, that is forward, and choose the contact and now the message is forward. In this way, you can forward media and messages on WhatsApp. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.